Ay!
Hello, good morning. Yes, ma'am. Hello. Welcome to the freshness and the very, very sexiness. Yes.
Yes.
This is all about what?
This is all about what's in the
What's in
bag
the bag
of Miss Aiza
as a
Alvarez as an OR
as
nurse.
an OR nurse,
Okay.
of course. Okay.
Check
Are we
natin.
going to open na?
Yes,
Yes
sure.
naman. Thank you
Ang
for
laki
the
naman
sponsor.
yan, pero
It's so big.
wow, Adidas.
Adidas.
Uy, bago
Ayan.
auto yon.
Bagong halwat lang.
Okay, hindi pala bago. Bagong
Okay.
luma.
First is open na natin.
Okay, go. Mga may pagkain. Charot.
Charot lang.
Again.
So what's in my bag?
Ah.
First is, of course, we have to have a extra shoe.
Yay! And another
sponsor.
brand of
Baka naman.
Adidas.
And then what
Next.
next?
Mm,
Of course.
of course, hindi mawawala.
Cleanliness is next to godliness.
What?
Kailangan natin ng scrub.
A pair of scrubs.
Yes. What else?
Ano pa?
And
May ahas dyan.
May ahas ata dito. What else?
What?
Of course, I need a charger.
Charger.
Charger for the phone.
For the
For the
phone.
doctor's order.
And for the self.
Oh,
and
for
for-
the self. Thank you. Salamat naman.
The St. Luke.
Yes. Sponsor. What else pa?
Ang dami mong sponsor.
And then extra gadgets.
Okay. Wow, may
Presentation for
iPad.
tomorrow.
Anong ano yan? Model. Anong
Ano lang siya?
Oh.
Sa bangketa lang muna. Napulot ko sa Green Hills.
Okay.
And
Next.
then, once kailangan nating i-fresh up yung ating, aside sa beauty, of
Yes.
course, kailangan natin na
Kaya natin mag-retouch
Retouch.
minsan. Retouch.
retouch tayo.
Okay.
And a kit.
Yeah. And a kit.
And a kit. retouch. And a perfume.
Yes, di
Huwag na natin
mawawala yung
i-reveal yung brand.
Ayop ka.
Hindi na natin i-reveal kasi very high school yung brand.
Okay.
Very high school.
Oh,
High school
sige.
ka ba nun? Baka college ka nun.
Mugabi ka.
And
Okay.
a passbook.
Yes, maraming laman
maraming
yan.
laman.
Sponsored by Upslide.
And what
Next.
else? And next.
Ano?
Baka magulat ka dito.
Ano? Bible?
Bible.
Ano yan?
Bible.
Ay, Bible nga.
Mm-mm.
Oh, very good ka dyan. Basahan mo kami mamaya. Podcast.
And then, ano pa ba?
And then, what
Of
else?
course, kailangan natin ng glory day.
Yes.
Nagbabasa tayo.
Sinong author?
Author by, hindi ko mabasa.
Ayok ka.
Max Alvarado lang.
Maganda
naman ang
yan.
play.
Nabasa mo na
Maganda.
lahat.
Si Faith, nabasa niya na dito.
Ano yung pinahiram mo? Or
Binili ko siya.
binili mo?
Or Vanessa.
Okay,
Baka
okay.
naman,
Okay, Max ano?
Max Eme, Alvarado. And then, of course naman, kailangan tayo ni Duldula. Para
Okay.
naman kay Duldula, meron tayong wallet.
Dulo pambayad sa
Pambayad
kantin.
sa kanya. Salamat sa ito.
Ay,
Oil
salamat.
press natin.
Sponsored by IKEA.
Yes. Labot-labot na ako dito. And then, of course naman, after the
Labot-labot.
duty,
Parang hindi naman bukas ang aircon, no? Ano yan?
Ako.
Uy!
Tickler.
Very good. May dala ka na.
Tickler. Marami tayo.
Sulatan natin yan.
Marami tayo. Kailangan memorize ang instrument.
Very good.
And then,
What else?
what else ba? Oh, another pair of wallet na naman.
Oh,
May
dami
pang-
talagang
card
pera
card.
eh. Dalawa-dalawa yung wallet eh.
And then, syempre, retouch tayo. Diba?
Yes,
Baka
Shuklay.
naman, 7-Eleven. 7-Eleven.
Sponsored by 7-Eleven.
7-Eleven.
Okay, ano
And
pa?
later, syempre,
Mm.
balik-alindog tayo. Ano pang meron tayo? Meron tayo,
Ano pa?
of course, Rosa laban tayo sa balik.
Yes, magja-jogging yan later. After duty. Sama kami ni Rosa.
Yes, an extra shirt.
Okay.
And then what else pa?
What
May
else?
sponsor din ako.
Ano naman
Once
yan?
kumain
Sino
po kayo,
sponsor?
may trivia ako.
Oh.
Once kumain ka ng diet meal ng Kenny Rogers, may pamigay sila 95 pesos. Baka naman.
Wow, ngayon yan?
Mm-mm.
Pwede.
pa-under.
Ang gagamit sa pagdadaging.
Jogging.
Ano?
Oo.
Ang galing.
Pa-under.
Oh, galing. Sige, order tayo
Oh, hindi,
later.
syempre, pag lapot-lapot na,
Okay.
sa gamitin mo sa akin to, mama. And then,
Thanks
powder. Oh, sponsor din to.
Oh, sino nag-sponsor niyan?
Japanese. Oh, Heart Evangelista.
Okay.
And then, another set of perfume.
Pumipugay
Pag
kay
ano.
Chelsea.
Hindi. Ayan na. So, that's it.
That's it
A
for
day.
today. A day what?
A day in the life of an under.
Yes! Okay, buyers.
Bye. Oh, Lani Bernardo bigla. Di ba ganun yan? Pag kumakain siya. Ganon.
Okay,
Ano,
sige. Bye na.
sabihin nila,